The squeegee adjustment is very important, and the easiest way to check this is to have the squeegee in the down position. We can do that by accessing the squeegee motor in the test outputs and turning that motor on. Then we would get a level, and we're going to lay that level across the lane distance wheel and the two blades of the squeegee assembly. Now from that point, we want to check the gap in between the drive wheel and the level. And that gap should be between 3/32 of an inch to 3/16. If an adjustment needed to be made, we could simply loosen up the 2/4 20 nuts for the squeegee link, and that will allow us to lower or raise each side of that squeegee assembly. You also want to pay close attention that both the blades are completely flat against the level. If you need to make an adjustment in the pitch of the squeegee blades, that will be done by the turnbuckle located inside of the cleaning compartment on your squeegee lift cam. Now, to access the squeegee cam and turnbuckle, we're going to have to remove this cover. So we also removed the recovery tank so that we could get some tools inside of here. And after we've loosened the 3 bolts on the cover, we can access the turnbuckle that mounts to the squeegee cam and the squeegee assembly. Now this only changes the pitch of the blades. If we wanted less pitch on the front and more pitch on the back blade, then we would lengthen this turnbuckle. And if we wanted more pitch on the front blade and less on the back, then we would shorten the turnbuckle. You want to be careful to not make the turnbuckle too short because it might bind up and stall the squeegee motor when the cam tries to make its rotation. We would simply break loose the jam nuts on the threaded rod and then remove the bolt that goes through the eyelet and into the squeegee cam, and pay close attention to the jam nut behind the eyelet. Once that bolt has been removed, we can now lengthen or shorten the turnbuckle assembly.